Welcome to the channel, welcome to the driveway. We've got a different job today, working on my daughter's car, which if you've got a Toyota Aygo Mark 1, a C1 or a Peugeot 108, you may have the same problem with your car. And that's with the door pulls. They were pretty poorly designed, and when Mrs. had a C1, we had the same problem with that. Went to look at a few of these. They all had a problem, some of them were just screwed together. And my daughter's has also gone with the top trim piece falling off. I'm going to show you more closely, but it's all cracked. So I'm hoping to do a quick fix on this using a piece of kit I've not used before, which is my plastic welding tool. I've not used this yet, but this is a perfect opportunity. Right, but the first thing is, let's show you what the problem is and give you an idea. I'm going to try and fix it. So what is the problem with these door pulls? Well, when the trim piece is on, when you pull the door, you always put pressure on both the top trim, which is just clipped in, and then they eventually snap off and break. See, that one's broken there. We've definitely lost another one. This has been previously glued in. Then once that goes, all your pressure goes on this piece of trim here, and there's no real cross reinforcement of it, which means, as you can see on this one, it's cracked all the way around and all the way through here. So yeah, this is quite a common problem with these doors. I've seen these when we're looking to buy one of these cars, an Aygo or a C1. It's just screwed through just to hold this piece in, which is rubbish. So the plan is to try and plastic weld as best as I can to here. I'll show you the plastic welding kit I'm going to use now. We're going to give it a go. So this is the kit I bought a while ago. Instructions, but it uses these zigzag pieces. Let me get one of these out. So it uses these, which you melt into the plastic to reinforce it. And it's basically got what is effectively a soldering gun. You put it in, give it a jiggle to go into the plastic, and that's your job done. So my plan is to try and plastic weld as close around here as possible. Maybe put some cross ones in where I can, and then to the bottom here is going to be difficult because it's right on the edge. And then we'll try and reinforce it a little bit, and then we'll get some super glue on it, I think, as well, just to try and hold it. So I might be struggling to get one in there. Well, that is the plan for today. I say, I've not used this before yet, but let's see how we get on, because worst comes to the worst, I have to buy a new door card. So if that helps, we'll learn a new skill. Play around with a new toy. Right, let's get this thing warmed up, get some electric over here, and get going. Okay, so I've just done a couple of test ones with a bit of cheap plastic, and this thing warms up. These warm up really quick. You have to hold them, let go of the trigger, and then it cools off, and you can obviously release them. So operation pretty straightforward. We've got this. Pull the trigger, it warms up pretty quick. So I'm going to have a look here. Wow, that was quick. Let's get some more in. So again. It's in. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's That's much more sturdy. Right then, I need to snip these ends off. And it even came some snips. I say I've not used it, it's still in the packet. Oh, I think we need one just going in there at the bottom. So that was surprisingly easy. Knowing that's still cooling off. But yeah, because you don't have much flex in it before. That feels really solid now. I'm going to put a dose of a little bit of super glue, I think, in there just to catch anything else. And then I need to look at how we're going to attach this on top of that. I think we're going to get some 3M tape around the edges, I think, to hold that, because say that's gone. That goes into one of these holes. We've definitely lost another one. It's meant to go in there. Yeah, I lost a few. So this is have to be 3M taped. I think I've got some 3M pads, thick ones, which might be able to go in here and hold this thing in place. So yeah, this little kit. On eBay, these are going for around about £12, something like that. Dead easy to use. As I say, you put them in, you pull the trigger, literally 3 seconds later, it's melted in. Let go of the trigger, give it for a second, and pull it down. It withdraws the these. It comes with different types of thing for whether you're doing corners or anything else. I just need the zigzag ones for what I was doing. Right then, just need to finish that up a little bit. Get some tabs on it, some 3M tabs, and reattach the door card. So I'll run a super glue on that. But to me, it seems like a good fix. Seems something to get a door card, doesn't it? Right, let me finish this up. So yeah, just grab a little bit of 60-second super glue. So I've just got some 3M tabs on here, 3M tape, just to try and attach it to this, and hopefully it'll hold. If it doesn't, well, we'll come to go for this. I don't really want to glue it on, because if I glue it on, you can't get to the screw threads to take the door card off. So let's see if how this goes. So you got all back together again. I'm not sure how this is going to last with those 3M tapes, but we'll give it a go. But mostly your holding is on the plastic thing at the back, which we've just fixed, which is now really nice and solid. No doubt my daughter will give it a damn good go for the next couple of weeks. And hopefully that's quite a cheap fix. That kit, as I said, was less than 15 quid. And if that's all is needed to do that and fix that job, it might be useful for someone else who's got the same problem on theirs, to do a quick fix. But yeah, really impressed with that little piece of kit. That's it. I think we'll leave it there. Hopefully this will be useful to somebody. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Cheers.